Hello everyone, my name is Chih-Wen. Today I'm going to present our work, Structure-Encoding Auxiliary Tasks for Improved Visual Representation in Vision and Language Navigation. In Vision and Language Navigation, researchers typically use an ImageNet pre-trained image encoder to encode the navigation environments. However, as shown in the figure below, due to the data distribution shift between the ImageNet images and the navigation environments, as well as the difference in the pre-training task, the ImageNet pre-trained features may fail to encode necessary information for a successful vision and language navigation. One naive solution is to fine-tune the ImageNet pre-trained encoder on the navigation environment. However, there's typically no object or scene labels from the navigation environment for fine-tuning, and it's also computationally intractable to jointly fine-tune the image encoder with the agent's navigation objectives. Therefore, in this work, we propose a set of auxiliary tasks to pre-train the image encoder by only leveraging the intrinsic training signal and the data available in the navigation environments. To design the auxiliary tasks, we first identify what information are important for vision and language navigation. By looking at the navigation instruction, there are two kinds of important information. First, the structural information of the scene, such as exit, right, straight into. Second, the discriminative information for the scenes and objects, including screening room, and globe. Our first auxiliary task, 3D jigsaw, helps encode the structural information. The model is trained to predict the relative pose between an anchor view, which is highlighted in red, and a query view, which is highlighted in yellow. Our second auxiliary task, the traversability prediction, which helps encode structural information. The model is trained to predict whether a view contains any traversable directions. For example, on the right figure, the blue boxes contain traversable direction, while the red boxes don't. A third auxiliary task, the instance classification, which helps encode structural and discriminative information. The model is trained to identify a view's augmented copy from a pool of other image views. For example, on the right figure, the blue box is the corresponding augmented copy, or the positive pair, and the red boxes are the other image views, or the negative pairs. The image encoder is first pre-trained on our proposed auxiliary tasks, and then incorporated into existing VLN methods in place of the ImageNet pre-trained image encoder. In this paper, we incorporate our pre-trained feature into speaker follower, environmental dropout, and AuxRN without changing single line of code. By incorporating our pre-trained feature, these methods achieve a significant performance improvement in SR and SPL. To understand which additional information is encoded by our auxiliary tasks, we conduct linear probing experiments of our pre-trained features on different downstream tasks. To probe structural information, we test on thematic segmentation and normal estimation tasks. And to probe discriminative information, we test on thematic segmentation, multi-label object classification, and scene classification tasks. From the table below, you can find more features excel at encoding structural features while maintaining similar discriminative capability, the pre-training data, and the pre-trained features.